And kicking off summer by learning how to save, our family-to-family partner Delta Community Credit Union is teaching kids what goes into earning and using your money wisely. Asking the question we all want to know the answer to: how do you save money? Well, thanks to our family-to-family partner Delta Community Credit Union, some elementary schoolers can tell you how.
Spending it on things you really need and saving it for things like you don't need.
Delta Community's summer program is underway. Cool Cash camps are being held across the metro, and they're teaching kids how to save, how to spend, and how to earn money. One parent tells us she was excited to sign her son up for this summer camp in Peachtree City.
A lot of kids think that money grow on trees, so classes like this kind of help them realize that parents have to go out and earn this money, and we had to think about what we're going to do to earn money, so it kind of puts it in their minds early that they would need to develop some skills and earn money and become adults and spend and save and save for different goals that we talked about today. So I think it's important today that they understand the value of money and that it doesn't just fall out of the sky.
This class focused on teaching kids the difference between short-term and long-term savings.
Your mom's birthday present, a short-term or a long-term goal?
Long-term. I'm short-term.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
So that they can start early with making good financial decisions and set themselves up for success.
I think it's very important to talk to kids early about saving and learning to earn money and thinking about what they want to be when they grow up. So that way it'll be easier to bridge it all together once they become older. You won't have to have them think about that as teenagers.
From kids looking to save for their favorite toy to middle schoolers earning an allowance, more Cool Cash camps are happening throughout the summer for all ages to learn and enjoy.
This has been a very good experience for him, and we're going to continue to come to future classes.